Two email marketing giants, trusted by thousands of businesses. But which one truly powers your growth in 2025? On the left, MailerLite, the accessible all-in-one designed for growing brands. And on the right, Campaign Monitor, the sophisticated, stable choice for serious marketers. Let's push past clever slogans and look at how these platforms actually perform. We'll score each category, so by the end, you'll see exactly which platform takes the email marketing crown. And trust me, the final winner might surprise you.
Here's the mind map of exactly what we're comparing today.
Pricing, features and automation, editor and templates, analytics and reporting, integrations, support and onboarding, and usability and setup. Trust me, this will help keep it all straight, because there's a lot to consider. First up, pricing. So with MailerLite, honestly, their pricing is kind of awesome if you're a small business or doing things on a budget. There's actually a free tier, and their paid plans are pretty transparent and easy to understand. Downside, if you want the fancy stuff, you do need to jump up a tier. But for most folks, that doesn't really come up right away. Now, Campaign Monitor, I'll be honest, it's more tailored for the bigger fish. Their pricing starts higher, no ongoing free plan, but they do have flexible options for enterprises and bigger teams. That entry cost stings a bit if you're just getting started. So yeah, for pricing, MailerLite is totally the winner here. Next, features and automation. All right, with MailerLite, you get things like landing page builders out of the box, plus some nice automation workflows, and even click heat maps for analytics. It's pretty solid, but I've got to be real, the editor can have some weird bugs now and then, and the transactional email support isn't super deep. Campaign Monitor steps it up with advanced segmentation, journey mapping that looks and feels slick, and better transactional email handling. Sure, it skips a landing page builder, but the automation and targeting are just next level. Winner here? Gotta give it to Campaign Monitor. Moving on to editor and templates. MailerLite's got a simple drag-and-drop builder with some basic templates. Nothing wrong with that, but I've heard more than a few folks complain about it crashing or being buggy, especially if you're sending tons of emails at once. Campaign Monitor, though, their editor is super reliable, and they've got a huge selection of slick templates perfect for bigger campaigns. Only hitch is, if you're crazy about custom code, you might run into limitations. But for most users, it's a breeze. So Campaign Monitor snags another win. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MailerLite was founded in Lithuania, while Campaign Monitor started out in Australia? Talk about global flavor, right? For analytics and reporting, this is where things get interesting, MailerLite does offer the basics. So if you're sending out smaller campaigns and just need open rates and clicks, it's fine. But if you want to geek out with detailed reports and advanced A/B testing, you'll hit a wall fast. Campaign Monitor, though, this is their playground. You get detailed analytics, tons of tracking options, and advanced reporting powers. It's a bit overwhelming if you're a newbie, but the depth is honestly impressive. Hands down, Campaign Monitor wins here. Now, integrations. MailerLite's library is kind of wild. They've got over 139 integrations. Whether you need landing pages, website connections, even e-commerce, it's all pretty plug and play. Sometimes they're not super deep, but at least the sheer number helps. Campaign Monitor is more e-commerce focused, and the integrations they do have are strong, but there are fewer overall, about 107. Plus, you miss out on some stuff like landing page builders. So here, MailerLite's got the edge. Let's talk support and onboarding. MailerLite gives you fast responses. Email, chat, lots of tutorials. Occasionally, troubleshooting live issues can be a bit slow, but otherwise, it gets the job done. Campaign Monitor counters with dedicated onboarding, in-app support, and a solid email knowledge base setup. But if you want instant chat help, that's not always there. Honestly, they're both pretty good here, so I'd say it's a tie. Last up, usability and setup. MailerLite is genuinely easy to use. Like, even if you're brand new, you can figure things out super fast. The dashboard is intuitive, setup's a breeze. It slows down a bit if you try to get fancy with designs, but it's perfect for beginners. Campaign Monitor, though, feels custom-made for the pros and agencies. It's rock solid once you know what you're doing. But if you're not a marketer, the tool can feel kinda intimidating at first. Winner for usability, MailerLite all the way. So, as you can see from the radar chart, MailerLite shines in pricing, integrations, and ease of use, while Campaign Monitor edges out with its features, analytics, and template options. Honestly, it's not a total landslide. Each platform has its superpowers.
If I had to lay it out,
MailerLite is kind of perfect for startups, solopreneurs, or small businesses that want something that just works and won't bankrupt them. If you need landing pages, straightforward setup, and budget-friendly plans, it's honestly a no-brainer. But if your brand is a little bigger, you crave next-level automation, deep analytics, and bulletproof reliability, Campaign Monitor starts making more sense. So really, it all depends on what you need.
which one do you think fits your team best?
Go ahead, compare them, run a trial, and watch those campaigns take off.